Hey guys, today I'm gonna repair this heating fan. This is a portable heating fan that doesn't work. When you plug into the electricity, the fan is moving, but there is no heat coming out. And I'm gonna check this. I'm gonna open the fan. Okay, let's get started. This is a Xenon fan heater. Power 2000 watt. Okay, first step, I'm gonna open the screws. We have 6 screws here. Okay, this is the inside. Okay, it looks very dusty, and I'm gonna clean this first before I continue to the next step. Okay, from the first inspection I found the problem. We have a broken coil connection, a broken heating coil connection. This is the problem that causing the fan is not heating. It's supposed to be one connection from here into here. You can see here, this is a broken connection. We have no connection here. It's a broken lines from the heating wire. This is a nichrome wire, so it should be a connection from here to here with the coil wire. So if you're facing this kind of problem, you may replace this coil parts. You can buy online, or I'm gonna try to experiment to connect this wire into this side. Of course, it's not a recommended step for you, because decreasing the length of wire will causing more heat, and more heat will causing the protection fuse. So the fuse will be working hard if I increase the heat from this coil. So the first step, we need to open the fan. This is metal because will flow the heat, because if this made from plastic it will be melting. So the first step, I will remove this fan. So this is the fan, metal fan. The reason why I'm moving this fan is I need to clean this coil, because I know sometimes if you are using this coil over time, it will generate corrosion. We can see here maybe corrosion going on here in this area. So I'm gonna clean this coil from the corrosion. Maybe I'm gonna use a rust remover or other cleaner, and I will try to connect this wire to here. Okay, I already removed the first layers of the wire. Turns out we have another broken coil, and down layers. This coil have 2 layers, this one and this 2 in the below. Okay, I will remove this wire also. Okay, I finished removing this wire, this 2 layers coil wire. So what we need to do next is we need to make sure, for example here there is a fuse here. This is a thermal fuse. This is different with the regular fuse. The function is the same. This is for a safety use. So what I have here, I have a new fuse. For example, I have this thermal fuse. This stating it's 115 Celsius and 10 ampere, 250 volt. So it's mean when the temperature reaches 115 or more, it will cut off itself for safety. So many kind of this fuse in the market. there are 70 degrees, 90 degrees, 100 or 150. It's depend on the heat that you want to protect, the limitation of the heat that you want to protect. For this case, most of this portable heating fan is 100 Celsius, but I have this 115. I think I can use this. It is the same 10 ampere and 250 volt. So first step, you need to make sure this fuse is not short. You can use a multimeter like this. Set the selector to this diode and continuity test. So when you connect each probe, it will be beep. It means there are a connection there. So we can test this thermal fuse. Yes, this is a good fuse. And now we're gonna check this fuse inside the fan. Yes, we have beep, we have a connection. It means this fuse is still good. Thermal fuse is for safety use. Many people, if this short or there are no connection from here, make the fan is not working. And many people will bypass this connection with wire or anything else. That is very dangerous. I'm not recommended that for bypassing this connection. Maybe for bypassing it's for testing purpose only. That is to make sure that the coil connection is working and the fan is working. That is okay. But for long time use, I'm not recommended bypassing this fuse, because this fuse will protect you from the overheating, or maybe sometime it will be burned. If there are if the temperature reach more than 100 Celsius, it will melting some plastic, it will be burned some plastic, and it is very dangerous. I'm not recommended for bypassing this fuse. Okay, the other things, this coil wire, it should be a connection from here to this end, this one circle. So what happened here, when I'm checking with the continuity test, this is the old wire, there are no connection. See, there are no beep. It means this wire is covered with corrosion. That's why I need to open this. Then I need to, maybe I will try to clean this coil wire from the corrosion, so I can move to my experiment, connecting this wire into this end. Here, this is a nichrome wire. If you want to create yourself, you can buy a nichrome wire just like this. You can make yourself. This is a thin wire. There are online store that selling nichrome wire specialized for heating. Also, you can find it in the electric cigarettes, electric lighter. The difference is the diameter. The diameter for this wire is, I think it's 1 millimeter, and for the cigarettes lighter, I think less than 1 millimeter. So the thickness and the length of wire, it will affect the heat produced from this nichrome wire. And some nichrome wire is using for burn something like electronic cigarettes. That's why it's very dangerous, and I will try to connect this into this. Okay guys, I already connect the wire with crimping the wire to the terminal. I'm not using a soldering tin to connect this wire because it will be melting. So it will be better you just crimping the wire here to the terminal. Here I have connection here. Here I have a connection, but here I need more sandpaper because the corrosion is already going on in the surface. Or maybe we can change to the resistance. Let's check. I have 46.3 ohm resistance. Also from the other layers coil, I have 48.8 ohm reading from the resistance. Let's try it anyway with my experiment. This is hitting level 1. Okay guys, I think my experiment is working. I connected the coil wire from the broken coil wire into the terminal, and I think I'm gonna try to put the fan now. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Terima kasih. Bye bye.